Hey everybody, good morning. Happy Friday. I'm so happy it's Friday. I don't even know what to do with myself, so I'm in a good mood. I hope y'all are having a good day. I had a good night's sleep last night and it's Friday. I can't, too much excitement. But anyway, I hope y'all having a good day today. I have decided that I'm not going to be doing a get ready with me tomorrow because I don't plan on leaving the house tomorrow. If I do, it'll be probably later in the day, and I'll probably just be like running out. But I don't anticipate leaving the house tomorrow, so I know I'm not going to do a get ready with me. So I probably am going to scale these videos back to just doing them like Monday through Friday. I am publishing a video tomorrow. I'm going to be publishing a back to school makeup tutorial, but I won't be doing a get ready with me tomorrow morning. I don't know, maybe I will do them on the weekends when I do have somewhere to go, and maybe I'll just call them like get ready with me weekend edition. I'm not sure, but I'm definitely not doing one tomorrow, just so you'll know. So I've been noticing, like, when I first started watching YouTube videos, and actually when I first started watching YouTube videos, I was watching a lot of natural hair videos. And then eventually I discovered makeup videos and started watching those. And you know, when I first got into it, a lot of the people that I followed were like the bigger YouTubers. And now that I'm doing YouTube myself, and you know, I'm trying to get my channel out there and connect with people, and it's just natural that you connect with people that are like more the same size channel as you. So I've been connecting with a lot of like smaller YouTubers, and I noticed like there's a lot more like creativity, it's a lot more variety, more like innovation with the smaller YouTubers. It seems like, I know that this is going to sound maybe like a commercial for smaller YouTubers, but it just seems like all of the more popular content creators, they usually do like a lot of the same stuff. So for instance, in the makeup community, I think a lot of it has to do with there's always like new products coming out. For instance, Too Faced just came out with a new collection. I think it's called Tutti Frutti or something like that. So let's just say if they sent out their PR packages to a bunch of different creators, a lot of the videos that you're going to be seeing from different people will be like their reviews on the Tutti Frutti collection. Like, it's just always like, it seems like it's always the same stuff. I remember not too long ago, it seemed like everybody was doing blue eyeshadow looks. I think it was Marc Jacobs. It came out with an eyeshadow palette, and a lot of people called it like a pop effect palette because it had like a bunch of neutrals and then one blue. And it just seemed like everybody was doing a review on that palette, and everybody was doing something like a blue look because of the one blue shadow. But it just seems like all the bigger creators, they're always doing the same thing all the time. So I've been noticing, as I've been following more and more smaller creators, it's just a lot more creativity. It's a lot more variety, different stuff for me to watch. There's this one small YouTuber that I follow. She's a small YouTuber, but her channel is much bigger than mine. Her name is Sanaya Diamonds, and she does these videos where she'll do like makeup looks inspired by like soft drink logos and snack food packaging and stuff like that. And it's different. Like, that type of stuff is creative and innovative. It's just different. And I've been noticing, like, I do still watch the content from the bigger creators that I follow, but they actually pop up on my news feed like less and less these days because I've been watching more of the smaller creators. I don't think I'm having a good brow day today, but you know, it's still Friday, so I'm going to be happy. But anyway, I actually, like, I don't even know, I feel like I take comfort in being a smaller YouTuber because I feel like I know that there's not too many people watching my content. So I don't know. I feel like I don't know what I would do if I did a video and it went viral. Like, I do want my channel to grow, but at the same time, it's like, I feel like if I did a video and it got like thousands of views, and as a result, I'm getting more people subscribed to my channel, like a huge influx at one time, I feel like I would be pressured to like really step up my game and have like better like edited videos and better content. And I would just feel more like, okay, I really have to like, you know, be like a good YouTuber now, because I have a lot more people watching my stuff. But then at the same time, I think like not having like super edited videos, and you know, not coming on camera being super perfect, and not always having your makeup look so editorial, I think that is attractive to some people too, because it's more relatable, I guess. I mean, I do want my channel to grow, but at a steady pace, you know, like this is a good pace for me. I was actually contacted by a makeup company to sign up for their PR list. And the email said, this doesn't mean that you're on the list. It means that we want you to sign up for it so that you can be considered to get on the list. And that made me feel really good, because they reached out to me. They found me via Instagram. And when I saw the email, I was like, is this for real? But I'm saying that because I know that my channel is slowly growing, and I know that this is going to sound really funny, but I actually got, I think I have like a good like 60 or 65 videos uploaded, and pretty recently I got like a couple of thumbs down on my videos, and to my knowledge I only have 2 of them. But I know that this might sound kind of weird, but when I got the thumbs down, I was actually like pretty kind of excited about it in a way, because yes, it's possible that someone who is supporting my channel, someone who watches my videos and, you know, they're subscribed to my channel, it's possible that one of those people gave me a thumbs down, but I think it was probably someone who isn't subscribed to my channel, and someone who probably found me via like a YouTube search or maybe suggested content. I'm speculating, but I don't think that the people who normally interact with me on my channel, I don't think it was any of them who gave me a thumbs down. And I don't really know what the thumbs down means, but I've heard that it's not really, it doesn't really mean anything. It's more so for the viewer and not for the creator. So even though you get a thumbs down, YouTube just looks at it as engagement. They don't really count like thumbs up versus thumbs down. So I know it might sound kind of weird, but I was actually kind of sort of happy that that happened, because it let me know that my content is being more put out there. But you know, right now I'm just happy with this pace. So like I said earlier, I know it may sound like I'm doing a plug for smaller YouTubers, but it's just a lot more variety with the smaller YouTuber community, because you just meet different people, you come across different types of content, that sort of thing. So anyway, I really hope that whatever y'all have going on today, I hope y'all have a great and blessed and productive day, and I hope y'all enjoyed today's chit chat. And remember, I won't be doing these over the weekend. I will have other content that's going up, but not the morning get ready with me's. So I will be back for my next chatty video on Monday. So have a good weekend, y'all. I'll see y'all next time. Take care. Bye.